Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try something new again. I will try to do a reverse spiral flower dip. I just want to show you my consistency. See, this is just, I say, normal consistency. It's a little on the thick side, I think. Not I think. They are on the thick side, but I think that with every pouring medium, paints reacts or are not reacts, a little different. So I think that my pouring medium is much different than the one than if you use float roll. I just couldn't find the word again. Oops, just wipe off my palette knife because sometimes I forget and then I have a problem. So because this will be a reverse dip, so I want to have a little more paint on my canvas, like when you do regular dips you don't need as much paint, but with reverse dips you pull off some of this paint, so I think that it's better that you have it a little more. We will see how this will work for the spiral dips, because with the spiral dips you don't want to have a lot of white paint so that you don't lose this spiral pattern. So I hope that we will get something nice out of it today too. So I'm still playing with this spiral technique because I think that it has a potential, but I didn't master it completely, so we will practicing together and see what we do wrong, what we do right, so we can improve it. Today I will use black, some reds, gold and silver. So let's start, and I will start with black. And I didn't do, this spiral is just yikes. When you do a spiral like this, it's most likely that you will not get nice result. So let's see. And red, this is cadmium red deep hue. And I will add a little more red here. I think that I will add some. And I have metallic copper. And some cadmium red light hue. silver, and I think that maybe I will add a little more black. And let's see. We'll just cut some saran wrap. Place it on the top. And maybe I will go like this. And because I did it on the side, not in the middle, I will try to lift this saran wrap in the way that it will be kind of off-centered too. So maybe I will lift this side first. Here is the center, I think. Let's torch this and see. Maybe I shouldn't have added this black when I added extra to at the end, but and definitely my spiral shape wasn't okay, so I didn't get as nice as a flower as with some as nice petals that I want, but still it's not really bad and not really good, so I don't know which way I like it most. I think that way. Oops, what is with my paper towels? They are glued together because of my pouring medium. We'll take you for a close-up. I love this lacing, gold lacing under the black, and it has a kind of three-dimensional look, but still I have to figure out how to do the outside petals to get it more I don't know what, but I like this part, but I don't like don't get me wrong, some of you tell me that I'm not satisfied. I just looking for something perfect, and I can't say wow if I don't like this completely. I like it, but not that I'm completely satisfied, so I will definitely try to do it with some improvements that I think that if I will do it, that will look nicer. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.